Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to add payment details to Gumroad account. This is quick and easy, so just follow me. To begin, go to gumroad.com and sign in to your account if you haven't done so already. You should see a similar interface to the one I am currently viewing, with the settings option located in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings option, and a new window will appear, and from there, navigate to the payout section. Which is not labeled as advanced. Once there, select your account type as shown on the screen. Choose whether your account type is individual or business, and then enter your personal information, such as your last name, address, postal code, or phone number, and also date of birth. In the payout section, you can add your PayPal address for receiving payments. If you reside in different country, the payment options may vary. You might be able to add a debit or credit card instead of PayPal address. After entering all the required informations, click on the Update Payout Settings button to save your changes. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.